to talk about the history and function of trigonometry. History trigonometry is trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigon, triangle, and metron to measure. Trigonometry began in Hellenistic mathematics, reaching India as part of it. In India, they discovered the sine function. After that, function of trigonometry. Trigonometry functions are real functions which relate an angle. It's widely used in science that are related to geometry such as navigation, solid mechanics, and many others. All these definitions of trigonometry functions are related to right-angle triangles.
What is the meaning of carpentry job? Carpentry job is a skill trade and a craft, which is the primary work performed is like the cutting, shaping, and installation of building material during the construction of building, sheet, timber brick, concrete formwork. Trigonometry in carpentry. Trigonometry is used in many other carpentry applications, including site layout tasks that require making angular measurements. These tasks might include laying out building foundation lines and determining elevation by trigonometric leveling.
I would like to share about the trigonometry formula. Basically, trigonometry are used to solve a wide range of problem related to angles, distance, and heights. This trigonometry formula included trigonometry functions such as sine, cos, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangents for given angles. Refer to the diagram given. I will explain about sine, cos, tangent. In right triangle ABC, we have sin theta equal opposite per hypotenuse, cos theta equal adjacent per hypotenuse, tangent theta equal opposite per adjacent. Easier ways to remember the formula, you can use SOH, TOA. Next, for cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Cosecant theta equal 1 per sin theta, secant theta equal 1 per cos theta, cos theta equal 1 per tangent theta. Okay, this is the table for trigonometry, which is have a degree for 13, 45, 16, 19, and others. So you can look at the tables, have a sine, cos, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, and this the value of the degrees and the angles.
Okay guys, here is a triangle, and then here is a degree, and then this is value of opposite. And then this is value of adjacent. Okay, so the question 1, the value of tan in tan. Okay, so the formula of tan is tan equal to TOA, which means tan equal to opposite over adjacent. So we apply the value in this formula. Tan equal to opposite over adjacent. So we gonna in theta. We gonna choose in theta, and then theta equal to tan opposite of adjacent. And then we got the value of theta is 40.24 degrees. That's all.
Okay, here is application of trigonometry in carpentry, which is important
of trigonometry in carpentry. Every time a carpenter makes an angle cut, the measurement of the angle or the adjoining lines must be figured out.
Secondly, another ways to apply trigonometry in carpentry are application of trigonometry in work. So, carpenter can apply this trigonometry in their work by use formula to calculate a cut. In addition, methods can use to solve trigonometry because they can perform various trigonometry on the values in an input raster. These are several general categories of the trigonometry calculation. For example, standard trigonometry tools like cosine, sine, and tangent.
So the conclusion is carpenters are sometimes overlooked. People believe that it is an easy job when in fact it is not. It's dangerous because at any moment of one's measurement go wrong, the body could collapse while it is still under construction, which is why one needs to know trigonometry and geometry very well. Without carpenters, we would not have any buildings at all, and in the society we live in now, buildings are mandatory.